With an innovative bipedal design, the Iron Man Mark 50 robot combines cutting-edge robotics and integrated app entertainment that provide a window into the exciting world of Iron Man.
Armor is locked and loaded.
Design custom animation sequences using block-based programming that can be downloaded and triggered via voice command. The robot's hardware features create an interactive Iron Man augmented reality experience like no other.
Ha! Not today. Enough standing around. Let's do this.
Tracking map detected.
A first for Marvel. This walking, talking Iron Man Mark 50 robot by UBTECH brings Tony Stark to life.
Now it's a party.
Create, control, code, and battle against enemies inspired by iconic Marvel Cinematic Universe villains in high-tech AR battles.
Enemy eliminated.
You can also upload your own face and record audio to reenact some of your favorite superhero moments. Stop right there. What's the password? Iron Man Mark 50 robot by UBTECH. Available now.